Imagine this. It is 2025, and people all over the world are making money in ways that didn't even exist a few years ago. From AI tools that manage your investments to apps that grow your savings automatically while you sleep, the entire idea of making money has changed. If I told you that this year could be the easiest time in history to build wealth, would you believe me? Because it's true. Right now, the people who understand how to use technology smartly are the ones getting ahead financially. You don't need to be a finance expert or a tech genius. You just need to know where to start. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of 2025's biggest financial trends, AI tools, digital investing, and side hustles that actually work. So by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for growing your money faster and smarter. Hey everyone. Welcome to Luke's Hustle YouTube channel, the place where we talk about money, investing, and the smart ways to achieve financial freedom. If you've ever felt lost about where to begin with your finances, don't worry, this channel is built for you. Today, we'll break down what's really happening in the finance world this year, explore the tools that are helping people create multiple income streams, and understand how you can build a long-term wealth mindset without feeling overwhelmed. So grab your coffee, relax, and let us dive into how you can make 2025 the year your money finally starts working for you. Imagine this. It is 2025. And people all over the world are making money in ways that didn't even exist a few years ago. From AI tools that manage your investments to apps that grow your savings automatically while you sleep, the entire idea of making money has changed. If I told you that this year could be the easiest time in history to build wealth, would you believe me? Because it's true. Right now, the people who understand how to use technology smartly are the ones getting ahead financially. You don't need to be a finance expert or a tech genius. You just need to know where to start. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of 2025's biggest financial trends, AI tools, digital investing, and side hustles that actually work. So by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for growing your money faster and smarter. Hey everyone. Welcome to Luke's Hustle YouTube channel, the place where we talk about money, investing, and the smart ways to achieve financial freedom. If you've ever felt lost about where to begin with your finances, don't worry, this channel is built for you. Today, we'll break down what's really happening in the finance world this year, explore the tools that are helping people create multiple income streams, and understand how you can build a long-term wealth mindset without feeling overwhelmed. So grab your coffee, relax, and let us dive into how you can make 2025 the year your money finally starts working for you. Chapter A in 2025, Finance Trends. 2025 is already shaping up to be one of the most exciting years in personal finance. The rules of money are changing faster than ever, and if you understand what's happening, you can actually get ahead of most people. We're living in an age where AI and digital finance are merging into something incredibly powerful. Apps are not just tracking your spending anymore. They're analyzing your behavior, predicting your expenses, and even investing for you while you're asleep. Think about that. Your money working 24/7, thanks to artificial intelligence. The rise of AI-driven financial tools has made it easier for average people to manage wealth like professionals. Platforms such as Betterment, Wealthfront, and Revolut in the UK use smart algorithms to automatically diversify your investments. High-yield savings accounts are giving better returns than they have in years because of global interest rate adjustments, which means even your emergency fund can now grow passively. There is a new wave of financial independence seekers. People using tech to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind. They're creating digital side hustles, automating businesses, and investing through mobile apps instead of old-school brokers. The most interesting trend, Gen Z and millennials are no longer afraid of investing. In fact, over 40% of them in the US and UK are now using finance apps to build portfolios. Another trend to watch is ethical and green investing. People care about where their money goes. Investing in clean energy, sustainable companies, and AI infrastructure isn't just smart for returns. It's helping build the future. And finally, digital currencies are evolving beyond crypto hype. Stablecoins and blockchain-based payment systems are becoming mainstream tools for cross-border transactions. So, if you want to win in 2025, you need to do one thing. Stay adaptable. Don't ignore technology. Learn how these tools work and use them to your advantage. Finance isn't about having more to des, about being smarter with what you already have. Chapter B. How to make money with AI. Let us talk about the buzzword of the decade, AI, and how it is turning into a real income source for regular people. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Notion AI. But here's the thing. These aren't just tools for fun. They're tools that can literally generate money if you use them wisely. Let's say you're a freelancer or a creator. You can use AI to write blog articles, design logos, or generate marketing content for small businesses. People on Fiverr and Upwork are already offering AI-assisted services, and clients are paying well because the turnaround is faster and the quality is improving every month. You can easily charge for strategy, creativity, or editing. While AI handles the heavy lifting, another smart approach is building digital products using AI. For instance, you could create ebooks, templates, or online courses using ChatGPT and design them with Canva or Midjourney visuals. Once uploaded to Gumroad or Etsy, these products sell passively. It's the digital equivalent of planting money seeds that grow while you sleep. If you're into data or finance, AI can also help you analyze market trends. Platforms like FinChat or TrendSpider use AI to spot stock or crypto patterns early. You don't need to become a day trader. You just need to know how to read insights. Even budgeting apps like Clio or YNAB now use AI to coach users on where they overspending. And here's the real kicker. Companies in 2025 are paying freelancers and consultants who can implement AI systems for small businesses. You don't need coding skills. You just need to learn prompt writing and workflow automation. Helping a small business save time with AI tools can easily earn you hundreds of dollars per project. The key is to start experimenting. Don't wait until everyone else jumps on the AI train. Learn how to use these tools now. Create small projects and scale up. The earlier you start, the faster you'll build both skill and income. Remember, in 2025, AI isn't replacing people. It's empowering those who know how to use it. Chapter C. Smart investing for beginners. Now let's shift to something timeless. Investing. The truth is, you don't need to be rich to start. You get rich because you start. The biggest mistake beginners make is overcomplicating things. Investing is simple if you stick to fundamentals. Let's begin with the basics. Index funds and instead of trying to pick the next Tesla or Apple, you can invest in a basket of top companies and let the market's overall growth do the work. The S&P 500, for example, has returned an average of around 10% annually over the past 50 years. That's better than most professional traders. In the UK, you can use platforms like Vanguard, Trading 212, or Moneybox to invest in similar index funds with low fees. Next, understand the power of compounding. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. If you invest just $100 a month and it grows 10% yearly, in 20 years you'll have over $68,000. Not from luck, but from consistency. Then there's diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A smart portfolio includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe some real estate or REITs. If you want something automated, robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Nutmeg do this for you. For 2025, consider sectors with strong growth potential: AI infrastructure, cybersecurity, green energy, and healthcare tech. These aren't hype-based. They're the backbone of our future economy. But avoid emotional investing. Markets go up and down. That's normal. Focus on long-term growth, not short-term noise. Also, never ignore fees and taxes. Small percentages can quietly eat your profits. Always look for low-expense funds and consider tax-advantaged accounts, like an IRA or 401k in the US or an ISA in the UK. Finally, build an investor mindset. Don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on patience, discipline, and education. The best investors don't predict the future. They prepare for it. In 2025, with all the information and automation available, smart investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone willing to start today. Chapter C. Building strong financial habits. Let's wrap up with something even more important than tools or investments. Your habits. You can know everything about money, but if your daily decisions don't support financial growth, it won't matter. Start with the 503-020 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investments. This structure keeps your lifestyle balanced and your future secure. If you can automate savings, even better. Set up auto transfers from your checking account to your investment or emergency fund every month. You'll never forget to save again. Speaking of emergency funds, this is your first safety net. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. It's not exciting, but it's freedom. When life happens, job loss, medical bills, or even a broken laptop, you won't panic or go into debt. Next, take your credit score seriously. In both the US and UK, a high credit score means lower loan rates and better financial opportunities. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card utilization below 30%, and don't take unnecessary debt. Apps like Experian, Credit Karma, or ClearScore help you track and improve your score. Also, track your spending. Tools like Mint, Monzo, or YNAB can categorize every expense and show you where your money leaks. It is eye-opening to see how small habits, like buying coffee daily, can cost thousands per year. Once you're aware, you can redirect that money toward savings or investments without feeling deprived. Finally, develop a long-term mindset. Money management isn't a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. Educate yourself continuously. Watch finance videos, read personal finance books, and surround yourself with people who talk about growth. Remember, wealth isn't about luck or timing. It's built from consistent, intentional choices made every single month. So, as you move through 2025, focus less on making quick money and more on building strong money habits. Because once your habits align with your goals, wealth becomes inevitable. So, let's bring everything together. Over the past 20 minutes, we've talked about how 2025 is changing the entire game of money. We started with the new financial trends, how technology, AI, and smarter investing tools are giving everyone, not just the rich, a fair shot at building wealth. Then we explored how artificial intelligence can help you actually make money. Not in theory, but in real, practical ways that people are using right now. We looked at how investing isn't just for experts anymore. It's for anyone who understands the basics of consistency, patience, and compounding. And finally, we ended with the habits that truly hold it all together: budgeting, saving, and thinking long-term. Here is the truth. The gap between people who succeed financially and those who don't isn't intelligence. The world is moving fast, and if you stay stuck in old systems, traditional jobs, outdated ways of saving, or ignoring tech, you'll get left behind. But the good news, you're here, you're watching this, which means you've already taken the first step most people never take. You've started learning. 2025 is your opportunity year. The tools are free, the knowledge is everywhere, and the entry barriers are lower than ever. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone just trying to fix their finances, you can start small and still go far. A few smart decisions now can completely change your future. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps more people find videos like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, because in the next video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 AI tools that can literally help you make money while you sleep. You won't want to miss that one. And remember, money isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom, choices, and peace of mind. So take control of it, one smart move at a time. You've got this, and your journey to financial freedom starts right now.